She's jealous of her cats. I'm sorry, that's an interactive thing. Did you just like do a little wave high or something? You're retreating?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Is it okay?
You want to retreat? We'll just walk around the block.
No, you go. You go. It's too far.
We're just gonna keep going. I should get double capture, yeah?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a video just for... Remember this one? Yeah. If you turn the cord. Yeah. I could do a video. We tried to decide which side of the sidewalk to go to and someone's walking down. Yeah?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bye.
What time is it? Oh, they closed now.
Love you.
Let's walk around this way. Let's walk through the people then. Let's go.
You go.
You walk with me. Go ahead. I'm just tired.
That's a good exercise though.
Yeah, that was a good exercise.
Okay, I'm going now. Love you.
Hey, we're going across.
No.
When we go across, walk down, across, and walk up. People are going to see us.
You go.
Okay, let's go. You don't want to.
Huh?
You should.
I'm doing food.
Huh?
I'm doing food.
Okay, we're going to walk through the mall then.
Okay.
Yeah. People, because there's more stuff to see. I want to go back to it. Okay.
I'm tired.
Okay. I'll do that. Love you. Bye.
You mad?
No, I hurt. Okay.
What does that mean?
I don't know, nothing. Alright, bye.
You say that it's your phone? I was playing you with it.
He's not going to ask me to take a picture or something. Okay, I'm just gonna walk through it here. No, I'm gonna walk back with you.
No, it's okay.
No, I'm walking back. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, look at look at this here. Oh, there's the cop cars.
Yeah, but
The cop cars are cool.
are they the usual ones?
I don't know. Well, that's what someone with a camera would do, right? They would record the cop car. So I recorded it.
I'm so tired.
I know.
I didn't take the other thing.
You didn't think I cut open?
Yeah. I was hoping I would find something in the car.
Oh, you were. Yeah, I should have done it. Oh, where? Should charge. Go to the other side. There we go. Okay. Good charge.
Isn't this arm too? Is this one that's too?
Yeah. Well, it's meant for your right hand because then you can do the thumb control.
Maybe you're supposed to flip it around so that you can
I don't like pointing at people also. It just goes in here, yeah? Oh, it's good. Thank you. Oh, it's on here. Alright, have a good one. There's someone in that there.
Hi.
That was far enough for us. Happy holidays. Huh?
I said hi.
You do that same thing.
I don't want you to walk in the car.
like trying to lead me like a horse.
I was shuffling away from the puddle.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now.